Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boy Blockchain Crusader here at Debate Crypto. We got massive news coming out from Apple, and does it have to do with Bitcoin? We're going to be covering that here shortly. But first, let's dive right into Bitcoin's price and how it's doing, because today is FOMC meeting day. So, how is Bitcoin reacting to this price scenario, to these events happening? Well, let me show you here real quickly on the 15, on the 3 minute chart. Actually, we had a swing failure pattern of the daily open, so we failed to reclaim that level. We were kind of breaking out of this downward downward trend that we were in. We broke out of it and we failed. Like I said, we failed at the daily open, which was 27,200. We came back down, retested this trend, right? Came up since then, but once again was not able to make a new high, was not able to get back above this daily open, and it started to come back down. So it's not looking too great for Bitcoin's price right now. But remember, this is in the 3 minute. Today's FOMC meeting on the chart prime oscillator, where we see more downward pressure coming in, right? We don't see anything holding up Bitcoin's price right now. But like I said, this is FOMC meeting day. When FOMC meeting comes out later today around 2, 3 p.m. Eastern, right, you will see what Bitcoin's real reaction is going to be to the news. If they don't raise interest rates, I believe the price is going to shoot up. If they raise interest rates, then obviously no bueno for Bitcoin land. But guys, that's what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about Apple and what they could be doing with Bitcoin. So here is the news. The news is this: Apple plans to launch a stock trading as a native feature on all their devices. And you're like, wait a minute, what does that have to do with Bitcoin? Right? Some people are asking, maybe Bitcoin is going to be next after that. That's not what I want to focus on. The fact that they're going to launch, right, that they do this stock trading platform within their own app, within their own native phone, leads me to believe, and a lot of people are speculating this on X or Twitter, whatever you want to call it, is that this is all in the perfect time within the spot ETF. If they can get this feature out before the spot ETF happens for Bitcoin, it is going to be massive, massive action for Bitcoin's price, because everyone has an iPhone. iPhone controls literally over 50% of the market on all phones, at least in the United States. I don't know what the statistics are worldwide, but it is a massive player in the phone space. So if everyone can be natively trading with a simple feature, with a simple add-on, how many people is that going to onboard to the stock game, right? And now we introduced the Bitcoin spot ETF. Everyone in crypto is all about it. More people are easier to onboard, saying, "Hey, man, you're not into crypto, but you're into stocks, right? Well, there's this Bitcoin spot ETF, which gives you, direct access to Bitcoin without having to go on a Coinbase exchange or any crypto exchange and buy it there. You can buy directly from what you believe is a trustworthy source, the stock market, right? So this is going to be massive for Bitcoin's price if these two features are literally aligned together. Apple are launching their trading platform or their trading feature on their phones natively, and then boom, Bitcoin spot ETF. Everything seems to be aligning to my super cycle theory, guys. But if this doesn't convince you, if this news about Bitcoin and Apple possibly having something going on with spot ETF convince you, check out this. Peter Shift here, right? This guy is known for being a gold bug, super smart when it comes to money and economics. Says the national debt just hit 33 trillion, a full trillion higher than 32 trillion it hit on June 15th. It took 40 presidents over 190 years to add the first trillion to the national debt. Joe Biden added the last trillion in just over 3 months. 3 months, and we hit a new $1 trillion of national debt. So if that doesn't concern you, if the previous news didn't convince you of what Bitcoin can do for you in the aspect of actual hard money, and that things are going digital, and it's probably a smarter move, not financial advice, to be holding some Bitcoin, to be holding some crypto assets that are going to appreciate in value instead of just constantly sitting on cash in your savings account, because the national debt is going higher. The money printing is going to come back on at some point. Like I said, today is FOMC meeting day. The printer is going to get back turned back on at some point. They can't continue raising rates forever. So, guys, always question everything, trust nothing, and drop your thoughts down below. Hit that sub button if you haven't already. because things are getting hot out here. So always hodl like it's hot. See you guys.